Just dropped off some shoes, but this looks like a ghost town. Resale shops, you don't see people going in and out. Resale shops are looking empty. I don't know, man. It's definitely a different time in the sneaker culture. Kind of crazy to see, you know, resale shops. Usually you would see tons of people lining up to drop off stuff there, or traffic behind me, but you can see nobody behind me. I don't think nobody's going into those stores anytime soon, you dig? So we're here at Hollywood, and they do have some heat on deck right here. As you guys can see, the shadow lows. They got a few of these in size. Let me see if any of my members want these. I like this colorway a lot. Let me know what you think about these in the comment section below. They got these mids here, the inside out mids. This colorway is also pretty dope too, man. I'm not mad at this one at all. 1 to 10 scale, what do you guys think about these? I briefly came by here. I had a few other things to take care of. And here's the Jordan wall. They got a lot of things here that you might like. So you got lows, you got the comforts right there. Then you got these threes, bro. Finally happy to see these in hand. These are definitely fire. Did a raffle for these. Nobody really wanted them though. Let me know what you guys think about these overall. From a 1 to 10 scale, what do you guys rate these? And did you guys try to go after them or not? Looks like Footlocker has them on deck. Purple comforts, which we did see in our other video at Melrose. These are definitely pretty clean. They got these mids, also the Zen Master mids, along with the lows and the Zen Master lows too. They do got heritages on deck, as well as 5s, 6 navies, 6 Oreos. They got them in men's sizes here chilling, bro. This is a great time in sneaker world, bro. If you guys are out there looking for sneakers to add to your collection, they got a lot of dope things available for you, as you guys can see. The 13s, even the 312 low legacy in the Chicago colorway, definitely a fire colorway. Right here, it's pretty banging. I like the selection. Let's briefly go to the Nike basketball section because I want to check out some more Jordans over there. But they got a lot of red tags and stuff. Let me know what you guys are thinking in the comments below. Kyrie Infinity One World People, we talked about these. They got the Kyrie 5 Community Low. So they got a new Kyrie low that's already on sale. The Orchid, aka One World One People, on sale for 89 bucks, as opposed to, what is it, the 120 on those? That's pretty interesting. They got the KD 14, you know, Valentine's Day, as well as Pearl. Then they got the other ones on sale for 99. Hawaii, 19 lows. You guys see what's going on. A lot of good stuff here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. New colorway that I've never seen, the Jordan 36s. This one's kind of crazy. 36 low. 1 to 10 scale, what do y'all think about this? 175 on the retail. This colorway is definitely pretty dope. Stuff which I've never seen these before. These are actually pretty fire. It's like a New York Knicks, orange and blue. This one is crazy. 1 to 10 scale, what do y'all think? 115 on the retail. I think that's why they made it 115, because this colorway is a lot better than some of the ones they've been dropping recently. 1 to 10 scale, what do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Air Max 90 in the colorway I have yet to see. Pretty dope on these. What do you guys think? Definitely a summertime vibe. Cop Pass, fire or trash. Barclays, Bo Jacksons, they got these dunks too. These ones are pretty dope with the sunset stuff on the back. Pretty clean. So we're back out here on Hollywood Boulevard, about to go see what's going on. On feet, I got my Kyrie Infinity, or my Kyrie 7 Concepts, with my Space Jam 2 shorts, looking like I'm ready to jump into the movie. But now we're out here on the boulevard, about to go down around to go check out Shoe Palace, and then get on to the other locations, bro. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, smash the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe. You already know what to do. Let's go. Let's go ahead and dive into Shoe Palace Hollywood and see if we can find something worthwhile, you dig? I got them in grade school sizing too. At this location, we are now at Shoe Palace Hollywood. Haven't been here in a minute, feels good in here. You know what I mean? The quality on those look pretty dope too. They still got brotherhoods and heritages. Let's go ahead and check out the Jordan area, or the Jordan wall. Let's see what we got over here. We got something that we've been looking for the squad. Hopefully we can find something here, or the right size for the channel member. In these right here, what is this in hand? Size, bang bang. Let's see what's up, bro. Then we got the 7s, the ACG 7s, that's what I call them. These are pretty fire too, definitely slept on. Jordan 6 lows, Jordan 6 midnight navies. Here we go with these 3s again. Wasn't sure if these will sit. They're still chilling out for a little bit. How long will they last around? And what do you guys think about these, man? I think they're pretty fire though, I'm not gonna lie. Slide on down here. They got those 14 lows. Then we got the Legacy 312. Checking out the Nike basketball section. Not too many changes since the last time we came, but they still got some heat. Kyrie Infinities. Zoom Freak 3s, LeBron 19, LeBron 19 low, up tempos. Just let me know what you guys thinking about the selection here. LeBron 9, Arnold Palmer, pretty dope. Even got some Barkley still here on deck too, you know what I mean? This tee right here, which is also pretty fire. Not mad at this one at all. Laker, I got the splats all over it, pretty fire. What do you think about these in the comment section below? You know what I'm saying? Some Nike shorts that are not too bad. Probably wait for these things to hit the outlets. A lot of good merch here at Shoe Palace Hollywood, always, just depending on what you're looking for. Got some navy blue blazers. The material on this looks pretty nice. The leather and the suede. 99 on those, not too bad. Couple of Jordans for the ladies. This is the smaller size of this one. This one's not bad though. We did scoop this up for one of my channel members before. Pretty cool colorway. I like these blazers. This colorway is different. The stitching and everything they got going on. Pretty dope. What do you guys think about these? Not a bad colorway here. Let me know what you think about these. With the loud music in the background. Jordan 6s right here, which aren't bad either for the ladies. Still chilling out at the Shoe Palace. New colorway of the Vapor Max Plus for the ladies. Don't even know what colorway to really describe this. Almost like a burnt orange. $210 on the retail. Top pass, fire, or trash. We walk in, we see that they got some heat right here on display. I guess they got a few sizes left. I thought people would go crazy for those, but we did scoop up one of those for a channel member, so we'll talk about it when we get to the crib. These are pretty dope. I got some 700s on deck. Don't know how many people really want these. 700s and 3s chilling out. Both of them are pretty dope though. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. So we're over here inside the Beverly Center briefly to see what they got going on over here. Let's see what the shoes is talking about. Have some retros and some other Jordans, you know, heritages. Then they got a bunch of mids and some comforts. We've seen these colorways before. Jordan 6 Oreos, Jordan 5 Green Beans. You can see those things everywhere. That's crazy, bro. Shout out to Jason Tatum. What will he do for the Boston Celtics next year? Go over here to Nike basketball. They got some heat over here too. Wow, things are on sale already, bro. That's crazy. First of all, this shoe not on sale, and this one's dope. What do you guys think about this LeBron right here, man? Cop pass, fire, trash. This colorway is definitely not bad. Want to know what you guys think about him. There's a lot of mixed reviews on this shoe. Definitely pretty dope, though. A bunch of LeBron 19s on sale, 139, 149s. LeBron 19s, LeBron 19 lows on sale also. They got the Safari colorway. A couple of the One World One people. Look at this. This is already on sale here at two at this location. The Orchard colorway. Then we got the South Beach Kyrie Infinity on sale for 79 bucks. Then we got this one already on sale, bro. This is why I was mad. This is the type of stuff right here that makes me a little mad because I just bought these for full retail at 140 and they're already marked down to 109. This is the reason why I will be chilling out for a little bit and just waiting till my things that I really want hit the rack because they're gonna hit the sale rack. You feel me? As you see here, that shoe just came out. I paid a full whopping 140 for that thing. I might try to clean that up and bring it back and get my difference, bro. Crazy, right? Then they got these. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just BSing. This colorway is not too bad either. We talked about these, full detail review on my channel. Then they even got some of the Zoom Freak 3s in the UFO or Uno colorways. This blue one is fire, $79 as opposed to 120. Kind of crazy to see this on sale already, but then again, it's not when you see everything else on sale too. $79 for those. Kyrie Fast Forward, 110 as opposed to 130 on these. Yeah, these are 130. The other ones were 140. Pretty dope. Slides $9. They got the Boost slides here that are $9 too. The white ones, white with the black, normally $60 down to $9.99. That's gonna be some retail arbitrage stuff along with these too. They got the black blue slide. Yeah, this one and that one. That's crazy. Black one too. Let's go ahead and check this out and see what's up. They got these on deck. We definitely gonna talk about these when we get to the crib. Very fire shoe. Never really seen this colorway. Definitely pretty fire. 140. Whoa. 140 on the retail. Top pass, fire, or trash. They got a bunch of Prestos and other Nikes on sale too with some red tags on, which is a pretty good situation. Getting ready for back to school and such like that, you know. Unfortunately, it should be a little cheaper, but it is what it is right now. If there's anything here that stands out to you, shout it out in the comment section below. These New Balances is not bad. Also pretty good colorways over here. Like, this one's different. Kind of got like a mesh material or something like that. $90 on the retail for those. Got some colorways we've seen in some other stores before. This is a newer colorway for the 574. What do you think about this one in the comments below? Not bad. This location also has the MB01 lows and 3 colorways. This one, the UFO colorway, which we have seen before. Did a review, full review on this shoe, plus the 2 other colorways for the MB01 low team. Funny, first time seeing this is actually in kid sizes. What do you guys think about this one? The colorway is not too bad. You know what I'm saying? I've seen some reviews on it. The shoe is not bad. Cop, pass, fire, or trash. The ladies had a pretty cool selection of some running shoes, as well as some Dunks, I guess. Air Max or Vapor Max Plus, Air Max 270s, some Air Max 90s down there. Shoes that we've all seen before, nothing that's new. That's why I'm not making anything like, you know, highlight. This colorway is dope. We've seen that before. Have seen some girls actually rocking those. Yet another colorway, white and pink. I don't know if we've seen this one before. Not a bad colorway on this. What do you guys think about this? Kind of got the iridescent finish on the midsole, outsole. Not bad. You can kind of see it a little bit there. So we're leaving. This is what our bag looks like today. Pretty good job for some retail arbitrage. Like I said, man, we got all them slides. They normally retail for 60 bucks. We got them for $10 each. With a coupon, got all these slides for only 65 bucks. That was crazy, bro. So what's good with you guys? Here at the Beverly Center. Actually ending the trip at the Beverly Center. We came through and found some pretty good items here. We're going to definitely talk about them when we get to the crib. What's good, YouTube? Bossco back again. Found these mellows. The mellow multicolor. I call them like the mellow Wutta, even though it's not called the Wutta. This colorway is actually fire. We scooped these up for a channel member. We will talk about these at the crib. And then I was able to come across a bunch of these slides. I don't know if I really showed this in the video, but I came across some of these, not Yeezy slides, but there's some Adidas Boost slides. Normally 60 bucks. We found them for $9. And I had a coupon, so I scooped up like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pair. Got them for 65 bucks with the coupon and everything. And like I said, one of them retails for 60 bucks. So I think that's a pretty good situation. We're flipping those, and I got one for myself. Now we're about to get out of here, but I want to just conclude this video because we did go around a few places. I showed you guys in 2 different styles in one video. Hopefully you guys did like that. If you did, make sure you smash the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm about to get out of here and go to some more locations, and you guys will see that in the next video. All right, deuces.